Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So this is my 9th video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we will be discussing about functions of physical layer. Okay, so first of all, what is physical layer? So physical layer is the lowest layer of OSI reference model. So from the sender side, it is at the bottommost part of the OSI layer. So what is the function of physical layer? So it is responsible for sending bits from one computer to another. So you can see that the data in the physical layer is in the form of bits, that is zeros and 1. Okay, so this layer also deals with setup of physical connection to the network and with transmission and reception of signal. Okay, so you can see that from this layer, after this layer, the bits, they are converted in the form of electrical signal and they are passed with the help of transmission medium. So going to functions of physical layer, so this is one of the important question in computer network. So these are some of the functions of physical layer. So first function is representation of bits. Okay, so as I told, data in this layer, they are represented in the form of zeros and 1, that is bits. So after that, they are converted into signal or electrical signal. Okay, so they are converted in the form of signal for transmission. Next is data rate. So this layer also defines the rate at which the bits travel, that is bits per second. In 1 second, how many bits are transmitted? So it is represented in the form of data rate. Next is synchronization. Okay, so it also deals with synchronization of transmitter and receiver. Okay, so either the receiver is ready for the reception of bits or not. Okay, so they are synchronized at bit level in physical layer. Next is line configuration. Okay, so this layer is also used to connect the devices. Okay, like either it is point-to-point connection or multi-point connection. So point-to-point means one device is connected to another device. Multi-point means one device is connected to multiple devices. Next is topologies. Okay, so it also defines, okay, devices are connected in which topologies. So we studied topology. So I have covered this topologies video in my last video tutorials. So either it is in mesh topology or star topology or ring topology or bus topology. So next function is transmission mode. Okay, so in which mode, this physical layer also defines that in which mode the transmission is taking place between two devices. So either it is simplex. So simplex means at one time only one device is communicating. So only one device can communicate, for example radio and all. Next is half duplex. So at a time only one device can communicate. Okay, so either sender or receiver. So the example is like walkie-talkie and all. And full duplex. So both devices can simultaneously communicate with each other, for example telephones. Next is it also deals with baseband and broadband transmission. Okay, so baseband technology, it means that transmitting a single data, a single signal or stream, okay, at a time. And broadband means it can transmit multiple data simultaneously at the same time. Fine. So some of the design issues with physical layer are first design issue is in physical layer raw bits are transmitted. Okay, raw bits are transmitted over communication channel. So second issue is design issues is like alteration of bits. For example, if you are sending 1010, it may be altered to 1111. Okay, so that is alteration issue. Next is design issue, and design issue here mostly deals with electrical, mechanical and timing interferences. Okay, so as we studied in transmission media, so there may be electrical interferences, crosstalk, etc. So these are some of the design issues. So this question can be asked in like 4 marks. So write the functions of physical layer. Okay, so next I'll be making next video tutorial, 10th video tutorial very soon. So stay connected with us and thank you for subscribing our channel. Stay safe all of you.